Well, do you want to live a life where you work on your time and don't have to follow a traditional 9 to 5 job? Or maybe you are in a job but not happy and want to start a parallel career and income stream? Where irrespective you're a student or a working professional, here is an amazing unconventional career that you can look for, and it's blogging. Yes. Okay. I know, maybe you think, is it really a career or a hobby? Can I earn money from it? Well, it is a full-time career if you want to do it. And yes, you can earn a lot more money than a traditional job. And you have the liberty to choose your time and write what you like. What better you can get? And even if you're not sure, don't worry. Watch this video till the end and see if it's the right career for you or not. And if you put in the hard work and follow the tips in my video, you could soon see yourself blogging professionally and loving every minute of it. So watch on as blogging journey awaits. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. Now, bloggers are the lifeblood of social media. Without their skill and creativity, we wouldn't have the captivating stories, innovative content, or inspiring projects that comprise so much of blogging culture today. Well, before I talk about how to start blogging as a career, let's first see blogging as a whole in terms of the future scope. And I know a lot of people think blogging was a thing of past, but let's just see the future scope as well. Now, the blogging landscape of the future is an exciting one for both writers and readers. While we have seen blogging evolve closer to professional journalism in recent years, it's still an area of opportunity. We might even predict blogging becoming a career path for some writers capable of creating consistent income from their content. Now, with each platform change or update, blogging only grows more powerful, and it will never stop being something that makes us think about how we connect with one another across the digital world. Think about, can you stop Googling things? And everything on Google is a form of blogging as well. So if you're a student and have a knack for writing, or if you are studying English as your undergrad degree, you can absolutely look for blogging as a career. And if you are a professional, no need for a career change. Blogging can seamlessly accommodate itself as a side hustle, which then has the potential to blossom into something really profitable for you. Possible, absolutely. I'm sure it's clear why blogging has gained so much traction lately. With its liberated format, you can easily express your creativity and even monetize your personal brand. Plus, blogging promises financial freedom along with the satisfaction of putting your thoughts out there and being part of the global conversation. So if you've been thinking about ditching your 9 to 5 in favor of blogging, now might be just the right time for you. So, okay, now let's just talk about the skills required for blogging as a career. While blogging doesn't require extensive qualifications, there are still some necessary skills that any successful blogger needs to possess, such as writing skills, patience, creativity, stamina, and healthy amount of tech savviness are all qualities that a successful blogger should have up their sleeves. Now, first and foremost, a successful blogger must have good writing skills and a good writer with an eye for storytelling, which is very important. From there, basic knowledge of SEO, HTML, and how to market yourself on social media gives you a leg up in the blogging world. Additionally, having a thorough understanding of the blogging platform that you're using, including analytics and effective strategies for getting organic views, will set you well on your blogging journey for sure. Now, finally, never underestimate the importance of content creation. Yes, blogging requires unique, thought-provoking, and entertaining posts in order to build an audience. Now, though these skills cannot be achieved through formal education alone, they're essential if you hope to become a serious blogging professional. So if you can bring together blogging proficiency and these critical qualities, you are sure to find success in this area. Okay, now let's talk about how you can make money from blogging. I know, a big question for a lot of people. Well, to summarize, you can make money from blogging by selling advertising space on your blog or through affiliate marketing. And a lot can be done through Google AdSense, which will place the ad on your blogs. Now, a career as a blogger can be incredibly rewarding and lucrative and is becoming more popular as an effective way to make more money. Though selling advertising space on your blog or through affiliate marketing, blogging allows you to make a passive income. Well, how cool is that? After all, what other type of job gives you flexibility to make your own hours in the comfort of your own home? Now, there are many successful cases where people are earning millions of dollars through blogging. Yes, possible. Okay, now that you have a great idea about a career in blogging and how to earn money, let's break down the steps to start blogging as a career. Now, here are the top 7 tips to get started on the path to internet fame and fortune? Well, first and foremost, establish yourself as an authority in whatever field you decide to blog about. Educate yourself on the industry so your readers trust your advice and content. Now, when blogging, it's important to establish yourself as an authority in whatever field you decide to write about. After all, no one wants to follow a blog writer by an amateur, or worse, someone who exaggerates their credentials. Well, to do this, ensure your content is always smartly researched and thought-provoking. That way, readers will soon recognize you as a leading expert in your chosen career field, giving yourself a strong platform you need to succeed. And if you're starting up, don't worry, I understand that. You can start a blog about a hobby, like maybe a piano or makeup. The idea is to write about something that you know well. That's the point. Now, the second thing is focus on creating quality content that's consistent in style. Well, you want your readers to get used to how you work and come back for more. So creating quality content for blogging purposes may be a daunting task initially, but it doesn't have to be. The key actually is to find a style that works for you and stick with it for consistency. Well, it could take some trial and error to figure out the voice that reflects your blogging career best, but once you get into the groove of blogging, you'll have so much more fun with your posts. So the idea is just start doing it. Furthermore, having a consistent tone also makes it easier for readers to follow and engage with what you're writing. A winning combination of creativity and consistency is sure to make your blogging career a successful one. The next tip, start networking with people in blogging circle. Well, blogging isn't just a solo activity. Predominantly, nothing is solo activity these days. It's important to connect with other experienced or aspiring bloggers who can help create collaborations or share further thoughtful advice for you. Next comes, don't be afraid to be creative. Blogging is a digital world filled with endless opportunities. Well, blogging is a whole other world of opportunities. Right now, it's the best time to get creative and make your blogging content stand out. And don't be afraid to take risks. Blogging is often a test kitchen for digital marketing. Experimenting with unique approaches and ideas could just be the boost you need to get noticed. Take advantage of all the possibilities blogging has to offer and let your creativity flow. Who knows? It may just help you stay on top of your blogging game. Yeah. Next is to use analytics and audience feedback to cultivate your writing style and create content tailored for your target readers. Well, every successful blogger does it. The next tip is to be a successful blogger, you need to be consistent with your content and post regularly. I know I mentioned consistency before, but I really want to highlight this part as well. Keeping up with a blogging schedule can seem daunting, of course, but it's actually quite easy. Think of it as creating a content creation rhythm. That way, you don't get bored or stressed out, and instead you can enjoy the process while still having your blog updates appear at a regular interval. Keep it consistent and stay on track, and you can proudly call yourself a successful blogger for sure. Consistency to me is the key when it comes to blogging or any form of content creation, be it video, blogging, or anything. Put out interesting, engaging content on a regular basis, and your blog will be set for success. You might even find yourself rising in the blogging ranks before you even know it. Yeah, quite possible. Now, the next tip is to engage with your readers by responding to comments and promoting your blog on social media. Now, not only you can make money online, but by engaging with your readers and promoting yourself on social media, you can grow a strong fan base that will help you blogging more sustainable for you. Absolutely. Now, taking the time to respond to comments and keep your followers informed of what's going on can provide long-term payoffs that you will be sure to enjoy. I'm very sure about that. One bonus tip for you is to keep learning and expanding your knowledge so that you can continue to grow as a blogger. Well, it's not just important for sharpening your blogging skills, but for staying ahead of the curve and making sure that you don't get left behind by blogging trends. Plus, learning new blogging approaches keeps blogging fun and makes you look like an expert in your field. The hard work pays off when your blog stands out from the rest. So it's important to keep learning. That's what I've seen in my life journey experience as well. Keep learning, keep getting better. Now, at the end of the day, blogging is ultimately up to you. It won't be easy. You will face some challenges and criticism along the way. But a lot of people won't understand what you're doing. But if it's this something that you're truly passionate about and willing to work for, blogging can be a great career choice for anyone. Now, don't be afraid to go all in on blogging. Being proactive and positive will serve you well in this career. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Also, stay tuned for other great videos on career, college admission, and personal development. I will see you very shortly. This is Shirish signing off. Bye-bye.